Hi everyone, how's it going? I am good, and you? Today we'll talk about spoken Arabic greetings. Arabic greetings, but in spoken. Let's go. Hi again. We will start from the basic greetings. We will be like a baby. Okay? So let's start. How to say hi or hello. Hi or hello in spoken Arabic. Hi or hello in spoken Arabic is marhaba. Marhaba in spoken Arabic. Why I am focusing on the spoken? Because I don't want anyone to tell me in the comments that it's marhaban. It's marhaban in standard Arabic, but in spoken is marhaba. Okay? So marhaba is hi or hello. Now let's talk about reply. If someone told you hi or marhaba, you should reply, right? So if someone told you marhaba, the reply will be marhaba. This is the first one. Then marahib, marahib. Then marhabtain or hala or ya hala or ahlan wa sahlan. These all are replies to marhaba. So if someone told you marhaba, you can tell him marhaba, same, marhabtain, marahib, ahlan, hala, ya hala, ahlan wa sahlan. I should say a small note here that ahlan, hala, ya hala, ahlan wa sahlan, these words or these expressions used for welcome, as a welcome, for welcoming a guest or welcoming someone is coming to you. Before we continue, let's go to the break. Kindly subscribe to my channel to support me so I can upload more videos. In this channel we have more than 6 or 7 playlists, so you can choose if you want to learn standard Arabic, Ammiya, and you can check them all. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button. Okay, we are back. Now let's continue. We talked about hi and the reply for it. Now let's talk about how to say thanks or thank you. Thank you in spoken Arabic, we have general standard one is shukran. 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 Why I'm saying it's a general standard. Standard it can be used for male and female and the group. Shukran. So if you want to say thank you for male, you will say shukran. For a female, it will be also shukran. For a group, it's also shukran. So shukran is the standard general one for thanks or thank you. But here we have other two families of thanks or thank you. And we want to also be more specific to say it for male and female and group. So shukran ilak, shukran ilak, or mashkur. 2. Shukran ilak or mashkur. That means that you are saying thank you only for a male. For a male. The second one is shukran ilik, mashkura. Shukran ilik or mashkura. This one means thank you for a female. You can use shukran ilik or you can use mashkura. The third one is shukran ilku or mashkurin. This one for a group of people, for a plural, 2 or more people. So we have 3 families for thank you, right? So shukran for everyone, mashkur, mashkura, mashkurin. This is the second way of say thank you for male, female and group. The third one is shukran ilak, shukran ilik, shukran ilku for male and female and group. Okay, everything is okay. Let's move. Now, the reply to thank you. So everything has a reply. So if someone told you thank you or thanks, how you will reply? The general standard one is afwan. Afwan. Afwan is a reply to shukran. Shukran, afwan. Shukran ilak, afwan. Shukran ilak, afwan. Mashkur, afwan. And so on. So afwan, this one is standard general. As we said, what I mean about standard general is can be used for male and female and group as a reply to shukran. It means welcome. Afwan means welcome, but welcome only after shukran, because we have another words, another sentences for welcome. So please note here, welcome, afwan, welcome, it's only after shukran or after thank you. We are not using it for welcoming, when you are welcoming a guest or welcoming anyone beloved coming to you. Okay, so afwan is a reply to shukran, and it's same reply to shukran ilak, and same reply to mashkur, and for male and female and the group. So it's a standard. Now let's be more specific. Okay, afwan ilak for a male, afwan ilik for a female, welcome to you for a female. Afwan ilku is welcome to you for a group of people. So now if someone told you shukran, you will say afwan, or if you want to be more specific, you can say afwan ilak, welcome to you for a male. Afwan ilik, welcome to you for a female. Afwan ilku, welcome to you for a group. Now let's continue. Let's talk about welcome. Now is the time for welcome. Welcome here, not afwan, because afwan, as I said before, we are using it only after shukran, right? So welcome here is for when you are welcoming someone, when a guest knocked your door, tock tock tock, a guest. What you will say to the guest? You will say ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Or you can say ahlan, or you can say hala, or ya hala, or ahlain. So we have like five ways to say welcome to a guest or someone beloved coming to you. Ahla wa sahlan is the first. Ahlain, ahlan, hala, ya hala. There are 5. Can you see me? So these are welcome, and all of them are general standard. So ahla wa sahlan, you can say it for male, female and group. Ahlain also, hala also, ya hala also. You can say each one of them for a male and female and group. But also here we can be more specific. How we can be more specific? If we add feek, it will be for a male. Feek for a male. If we add feeki, it will be for a female. If we add feeku, it will be for a group of people. So let's make an examples here. Ahlan wa sahlan feek. This one means welcome only for male. Ahlan wa sahlan feeki, only for a female. Ahlan wa sahlan feeku, only for a group. So you cannot meet your male friend and tell him ahlan feeki, right? Because it's ahlan feek. And also for ahlan, hala, ya hala, ahlain, and so on. So feek is a word for a male for welcome. You can add it. Feeki for a female, feeku for a group. So this is like the first lesson of first class of greetings. Okay, so we have so many greetings left. So this is like the first baby step for spoken Arabic. or spoken Arabic greetings. So in the next class, inshallah, in the next video, we'll talk about other greetings. And honestly, I want and I'm planning to cover all greetings as much as I can. So stay tuned and stay with me. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me, and hit the bell button too, so you can watch all my new videos. See you in the next time. See you in the next time. Salam.